everything that is around her. Yes, I'm talking about nobody else but the woman within us, the woman that we are. Hi all, welcome to the second round of the WE Awards nominations, and I'm here in the panel of these wonderful ladies around me who come from various walks of life doing an extremely well accomplished work that they're doing. Let me start with Sonali. That's Sonali, Kalyani, we have Mariam, we have Anita, and we have Asma on the hot seat with us. So let's start with Sonali and understand what truly inspired you to do the work that you're doing.
Because I myself am very much into creative field, and I started painting. My husband motivated me, and my journey never ends. I started painting and then go on and became a chef right now.
Wonderful. So when you say chef, obviously the listeners around us, they are already salivating at the thought of, so what do you cook, or what is your specialty?
My specialty is, actually I'm from Bengal, so Bengali delicious food, sarso with mustard with machi, and also I combine sarso da saag with makai da roti.
Wow, so is that a fusion?
That's
so
a
fusion. Very unique Punjabi and warm fusion.
Yes.
Wonderful. And what is your initiative called?
My initiative.
Yes.
My initiative, look, when I'm into business, I just take initiative thinking that there will be profit, there will be loss, and we may take always risk.
What is your business called?
My business called is once again.
Okay. Moving on to Kalyani. Kalyani, hi. Wonderful to have you around. I know you are a life coach, you train people, you speak, you do motivation. What prompted you to start all of that?
Thank you. Honestly speaking, I really didn't know what to do. I got married very early, and my son had ADHD. It's very hyperactive. It's very difficult for me to take up a full-time job. I have worked in various corporates, but I would always have to leave in 4 to 6 months. And I was thinking, what can I do best? And my biggest USP that I communicate well, and I really love to help and empower people. And that's how Visionary Life began. It's been 14 years now. And along with that, I also have a fitness business. I love to work in the field of health and wellness to inspire and empower people. So far, we have trained more than 5,000 people, trained over more than 100 corporates. And yes, seeing others happy, seeing others empowered is what makes me happy.
So well thought, so well articulated, and it's a live example that we are turning our passions, our strength to what we do. Wonderful. Moving on to Mariam. Mariam is into diamond jewelry and she's all sparkling. So tell us what are you wearing which is yours today?
Everything that I am wearing is created by me.
Wow.
You can see this light pendant.
Yes.
I wear a gemstone, a particular gemstone.
Okay. Wow. So what again inspired you to be getting into something very different, like the jewelry designing and into diamonds? You come from a family of jewelry designers?
No, I come from a jewelry designer. The thing is that I am very creative. I love to create designs.
Okay.
Designing is my forte.
Okay.
And I am very good with merging of designs. Supposing if a female likes one particular design,
Okay.
in that she likes, there are 4 different designs which she really likes it.
Okay.
इसमें से भी कुछ चाहिए, यहाँ से भी ये डिजाइन चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए. So I am very good in connecting all the designs and creating that. Especially I design into, I mean, if I have to design a jewelry for you, I will design it in your personality, the way you are. According to that, you can carry it very well.
Okay.
So my forte is designing.
Wonderful. That's something very, very unique that Mariam is doing. Hi. So tell us, Anita, what do you do?
See, I am into corporate training. So from last 10 years, I was a trainer. I have taken a job. And then after a few years, I got married. That was in 2012. And wherein I was continuing with my job. But then as my husband keeps traveling out of country, so I have to give time to my son as well. So that is where I thought of taking up a business wherein I can help people. Okay, as well as what we do is we always take it from the universe, we always take it from the people, right? Now it's time to give up to the society as well. So that is where I have started giving free seminars as well, and I am associated with the NGOs and
Wow, that's a very noble work that you're doing.
And I'm into financial planning, wherein I help people doing, so everybody knows that we have planning for
So you are one lady who breaks the myth that women are not good with numbers. So there, ladies, any financial assistance, we have Anita to help us with that path-breaking, myth-breaking live example who's sitting here as a nominee with us. So hi Asma, tell us what do you do?
Shambhavi. I'm Asma Lala Kapadia. I'm into chocolates and snacks business. I have my brand named Chocolicious Assorted Chocolates and Foodicious Snacks. And apart from that, even I'm a social activist and associated with a few NGOs like Seva, Masiha and a Giants Group of Panther.
Wow, so that's two identities merged into one.
Right.
Quite an explosive combination. All right, moving ahead. So back to you, Sonali,
Yes.
and this is an open space. You can all
Yes.
ladies pitch into this.
Yes.
So we being a mommy, being a woman, being somebody whose society looks up to you all for your various contributions. How easy, difficult? What is your little mantra of success?
It's not difficult, I must say, because God has placed us 24 hours. 8 hours out of that we sleep, rest we can work and work. Also keep busy ourselves, freshen our mind. And I feel every housewife should think this way. And I must say that I am also involved with a popular NGO called Robin Hood Army. I keep on doing events with them. We serve food to slum people, slum children, and our motto is not to starve, stop hunger. And Saturday, Sunday I go for that. And apart from that, I have got 2 kids to look after. My 93 years old mummy, my mother-in-law. She's truly my mother, adorable, beautiful, pretty woman. And in the night, I feed my husband and then I sleep. So if I can do, you all can do. That's my position.
Wonderful. That's all for an applause here. It's very nice and very inspiring. I'm sure those listening and those wondering how can they make the best out of 24 hours. Ladies, here is a living example who's doing beyond work, micromanaging each and every minute of the day to ensure she gives the best out. Wonderful. Kalyani, what's your success mantra?
My success mantra has been try and try and try till you succeed. I never give up.
So you're the little spider who's trying to climb
Absolutely.
up higher and higher.
Absolutely. Consistency is the key to success.
Absolutely.
I always make sure that I'm taking small steps towards my goals every day. I'm absolutely unstoppable.
Wow.
That's been my mantra for success. Also, I have helped a lot of people. I have good family support. I have made sure that I have support from my husband because I have also contributed to them.
Very well, very valid and very absolutely important in today's day and age that both partners contribute. I mean, gone are those days when house was wives and outside work was husband. If today wives don't contribute in the economy that we are in, I don't think we are going to sustain ourselves. Wonderful mantra for everybody. Mariam, tell us, so you're in creativity, so what's your, what is that you want to speak? So what inspired you to get into jewelry?
Because I'm very creative and I love to create designs. So this is the reason I'm there, and every woman would love to wear jewelry.
I'm sure.
And of course you spend a lot of money in jewelry. So I would give you a best, how you're going to save money, what you're going to put in. I mean, the value for money, I think.
Absolutely.
So that is the reason I have started into this jewelry line. And I think that every woman has to be very independent. We cannot be dependent on our husband itself. And we have to share his burden. And I'm very lucky that I have a husband who really takes care of it.
I guess here in the panel, everybody has husbands who
Yes.
support. So
Yes.
one round of applause for them. Because without their support, we would not be sitting here being nominated for the awards that we are receiving, acknowledgement, success. It cannot happen single-handedly. Wonderful. So moving on, Anita, tell us in brief what is your inspiration.
So if I talk about myself, I'm very passionate about things. So whatever I do, I give my 200% in that. And that is where I come up with trainings and the seminars, right? As well as the good support is there from the family. So this is what makes me to do work, which is like wow for us.
Asma.
Well, my inspiration is hard work, perseverance.
So what inspired you to start chocolates and get into social activities?
I'm a very quick learner and I love to learn things. I have a lot of enthusiasm and the perseverance, the dedication and hard work, it helps me a lot. I'm a self-healer, like no one can put me down. I put my whole heart and soul into whatever work I take and I try to accomplish it.
Wow, wonderful. There's so much to learn, there's so much to move ahead and all. Is there any message to the upcoming women entrepreneurs that any one of you would like to share? Speak, Kalyani.
For the women entrepreneurs, one message I'd like to give to all women is that they must love themselves. Because if you don't love yourself, you cannot love anyone. You know, this is the biggest myth women live with, that they dedicate their lives to their children, to husband, to everything around them, neglecting them the most. But what you don't have in you, you can't give to others. Love yourself first in order to love others.
Very true. So, Nadi.
That's the same what she has said. Love yourself
Absolutely.
and live joyfully.
I think this is an echo which each one of us would
Yes.
Every single day brings a new opportunity. So just grab it, go for it.
Yes.
Always be positive.
always be positive. Absolutely.
Life is what 10% happens to us, and how it is like 90% we react to it. So stop reacting and start acting.
Yes.
Wonderful. With this, we come to the end of a wonderful panel discussion. I'm sure all of you would have picked up a lot of tips and tricks from these successful entrepreneurs sitting with me and being nominated for the wonderful awards. See you all on the 10th. Before we sign up, who am I? I'm Shamvi, your host, celebrity life coach, tarot card reader, vastu consultant, and a lot more. But see you all on the 10th of March at Bandra.